Good morning, OPOS stars. We'll be doing the mutton chukka. We start the stopwatch and start with quarter cup of oil. This is quarter cup of oil. And this is 1 cup of shallots, whole shallots, quarter cup of whole garlic cloves, put them on one side, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, and around 10 red chilies. Ensure that as many touch the bottom as possible. Some curry leaves. This is half a kilo of mutton cut small. Now ensure that some bits of mutton touch the bottom. You want them to get nicely caramelized. That looks good. 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That is all the spicing that is needed. It's taken us 1.5 minutes to load. All I'm going to do is take the Cookbot, put this in, just check there is nothing at the base. Just wipe the base clean. Put this in, close this, ensure that this is set to seal. It should be facing you and not facing right or left like this. And this is sealed. Now I need to set it at the goat menu. Click the menu. Egg, fish, chicken and goat. That's it. Once the menu is set, you can just sit back and relax and wait for the machine to tell you when the cooking is done. Just focus on the display. This will keep blinking till the pressure builds up. And once the pressure builds up, the countdown timer will start. You can open now. Intense smell of cooked meat. Use a cloth or a tongue to remove the inner vessel. see that the onions have become mush. The water has been released from mutton. And the excess water will get slowly absorbed and the gravy will thicken. That's it. That is our mutton uppu curry. Look at that. Now I'm going to plate the ultra delicious mutton chukka. It's all done. Look at this beauty. This is almost a kilo of mutton chukka. Look at that. There is absolutely no charring at the bottom. And the mutton is cooked beautifully. This has become a rich gravy. All you have to do is layer, click, and you're done. Just layer the ingredients as given in the recipe here. Close, click the goat mode, and 20 minutes later you have this. Pretty simple, no? Do try this out and please post your validations. Thank you very much.